Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI assistance platform, which is Sembly and Craft AI. So to get started with the analysis, Sembly is a top pick for professionals who need a smart meeting note and insight. It automatically record, transcribe, and summarize meetings from platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, with features like action item tracking, speakers recognition, and team collaboration. It helps teams stay aligned without manually writing notes. It also integrates with tools like Slack and Trello, making workflow smoother. However, it most focused on meetings and might not be a best fit for everyday note taking or document creation. So Craft, on the other hand, is a beautiful, flexible AI-powered document and note app built for writers, creators, and teams. It supports structured document, pages within pages, real-time collaboration, and AI assistance for writing, summary, and organizing the content. Craft ideas for people who want to create, publish the document, and manage their ideas visually, but it lacks the specialized meeting analysis features that Sembly offers. Here's a barometer about these two AI platforms. So you can simply opt in for Sembly if your main goal is to capture and analyze meeting automatically, and pick Craft if you need a clean, powerful writing and note organization tools with AI assistance for daily productivity. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platforms. And that's it.